Hello everyone, welcome back in the online class of GK. I am Sandhi Nanda and today I will give the revision of chapter number 1 to 7. As we all know that the syllabus of GK for unit test 1 is already over. So today I will give the revision of chapter number 1 to 7 and then in next video I will give the test paper of all the chapters. So this here is the syllabus for the UT1, that is from chapter number 1 to 14. From chapter number 1 to 14 plus activity and page number is also written here from page number 5 to 23. So you have to learn it thoroughly. Then I will give the test paper in the next video. Here is the revision of the chapter number 1 and 2. So some questions are here. You have to think the answers of these questions. First, write the name of some animals which cannot jump. In first chapter I already told you that elephants cannot jump, but in question the some animals name they are asking. So you have to write that sloths, hippos, rhinos are the some animals which cannot jump. Next, how much a owl can rotate its head? So the correct answer is 270 degrees. It is thought that owl can rotate its head 360 up to 360 degree, but it is not true. It can rotate its head up to 270 degree. Then question number 3 is, in which cartoon character a rabbit eats a carrot? So I already told you the name of the cartoon character is Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny. Actually, rabbit is the founder of green and leafy vegetables, not the carrots. But it is popularized that rabbit eats carrot by the cartoon character Bugs Bunny. Then which is the most eaten fish in the world? So that is on page number 7. Most eaten fish is the herring. Most eaten fish is the herring. Then next is the which is the largest fish in the sea water. Actually there are two types of largest fishes. One is in the sea water and another one is the fresh water. So the sea water fish is whale shark and the fresh water fish is beluga. Then which is the most primitive type fish on earth? What is the meaning of primitive type? Means which are having basic structure of fish. So that is lamprey fish. Lamprey together with hagfish is the most primitive form of fish living today. Then the next is, it true that ostrich buries its head in sand when threatened? No, it is false. I already told you in the first video that ostrich buries its head because he gave his eggs into the soil. So for checking that their eggs are good or its eggs are fine in the soil or not, they buried their head into the soil many times in a day, but not that they are threatened. So these are the revision of chapter number 1 and 2. Again you can do it, read it well. And then the revision of chapter number 3 to 7. Again I am giving some question for revision. So the first is, which bee can detect ultraviolet lights? Which bee can detect ultraviolet light? Actually humans also cannot detect ultraviolet light. Only bees can detect the ultraviolet lights. So which fish can walk on land? Which fish can walk on land? That is climbing perch. That is climbing perch. Only bees can detect this type of light. This question, some correction is there. Who can detect ultraviolet light? Who can, one error is there. You can, in place of which bee you can write who can detect the ultraviolet light. So the answer is bees. Answer of this question is bees. Then the next one, which fish can walk on land? So the climbing perch fish is walk on land. The theory of behind this walk on land is that it is a strange fish. When its hole becomes empty or dries up, then this fish can come on the land in the search of the water. Then how many days a house fly can live? A house can fly live for a 14 days, or the life of a house fly is only 14 days. Then the next, which is the largest living lizard? Which is the largest living lizard? Komodo dragon is the largest living lizard. Write the name of a poisonous tree that is used for making the red poison. So the poisonous tree is oleander. Oleander. Write the name of a prickly plant that can survive in desert places. Prickly plant. Prickly means spines, which are having spines, which are present on the dry places. So the answer is cactus. You know very well, it is a prickly plant, or which are having spines. Write the name of a parasitic plant. Rafflesia. The name of the plant is Rafflesia. It is the parasitic plant. It means it lives on the other plant. Then, which is the smallest insect in the world? So the answer is, which is the smallest insect in the world? Smallest insect in the world is fairy flies. Fairy flies is the smallest insect in the world. Next is, which is the longest lived insect? That is queen termite. And one question is also associated with the queen termite, that is where the queen termite found. It is on page number 9. So here is the answer. Queen termite lives in Australia. Two questions are associated with the queen termite. Then the next one is how the elephants can walk. How the elephants can walk. It is also on page number 9. Elephants walk on the tip of their toes because the rear part of their foot is boneless and fatty. So you can write that elephants can walk on their tip of their toes. This is the revision of chapter number 1 to 7. In next video I will give the revision of the rest chapters, and also I will give the test paper. Till then you have to learn well and stay safe and healthy at your homes. Thank you.